In this video, I will show you how to make a table of contents in Google Docs. So first things first, open the Google Docs, and then it is important to format your headings. For this, highlight the first headings and then go to the top menu where it says normal text and select the heading style like heading 2. Once you do this, you can adjust it, you can make it bold or change the size. Then repeat this process for all the headings in your document. Now decide where you want the table of contents to appear and place your cursor there. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. A drop down menu will appear. Scroll to the bottom and here you will find this option of table of contents. Click on it and you will see three options. So pick the format that you like and I will choose the second one for this example. Click on it and the table of contents will now show up, listing all your sections and page numbers. You can adjust the text size by highlighting it and changing the font size. And that's it.